Welcome to the Car 247, where we respect your time and give you no-nonsense content. So let's get into what you came for. 3 luxury sedans currently rotting on lots across America that you should buy before everyone else figures out what they are. Let's count down. Number 3, the Infiniti M Series, M37 and M45, 2006 to 2010. A fully loaded M45 left the dealership for up to $58,000 brand new. Today, clean examples go for $5,000 to $9,000. But here's what nobody tells you about the Infiniti M. This was not a soft Japanese cruiser built for easy miles. This was Infiniti's direct punch at the BMW 5 Series and the Mercedes E-Class. Rear-wheel drive, perfect weight distribution, a chassis tuned by engineers who studied the Germans and decided to build something better. The M37's 3.7-liter VQ37 engine was named Ward's 10 Best multiple times. No turbos, no forced induction complexity, just pure natural aspiration that pulls hard all the way to redline, with a throttle response that shames European alternatives at 3 times the price. And the M45? A proper V8, 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds in a full-size luxury sedan for $6,000. The interior backs it all up. Semi-aniline leather, real wood trim, Bose audio, heated and ventilated seats, an instrument cluster so precise, first-time passengers always ask what it cost new. You tell them, watch their face. Maintenance is straightforward. The VQ and VK engines are bulletproof on maintained examples. Check the timing tensioners on high-mileage cars. Verify the rear differential fluid on the M45. Any Nissan Familiar Independent handles everything. Parts are cheap and accessible. The reason this car costs $6,000 today is simple. Everyone knew the G35, nobody remembered the M existed. That market amnesia is your entry point. Number 2, the Audi A8, D3 generation, 2004 to 2010. A fully loaded A8 left the dealership for up to $95,000. Today, documented examples go for $5,000 to $9,000. Here's the detail that changes everything, the one most buyers have no idea exists: the Audi space frame, a complete aluminum monocoque chassis, making the A8 D3 40% lighter than steel body competitors from the same class. Not aluminum panels over steel, full aluminum architecture. 40% lighter means sharper handling than the size suggests, less wear on every suspension and brake component over the car's life, and a structural precision that still feels tight and solid 2 decades later. Under the hood, 4.2-liter V8, quattro all-wheel drive, 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, and if you find the W12 variant, 6 liters, 12 cylinders, 444 horsepower, available today for around $9,000. A hand-built 12-cylinder engine and an aluminum chassis for $9,000. Let that register. The interior is where the $95,000 original price becomes tangible in everything you touch. Real leather that hasn't collapsed at high mileage, machined wood and aluminum trim, multi-contour massage seats, Bang & Olufsen audio competing with home systems costing thousands, a cabin so quiet, brand new $35,000 cars simply cannot enter this category. Now the honest part. This car rewards disciplined owners and punishes negligent ones. All 4 tires replaced simultaneously, always. Budget $900 to $1,200, non-negotiable. Air suspension compressor will eventually need attention, budget $500 to $900, known repair, mature aftermarket. Service history must be complete, not mostly complete, complete. Pre-purchase inspection by an Audi specialist with VAG diagnostic access, non-negotiable, budget $200. Walk away from anything that can't prove its history, no exceptions. Find the right example, and you have a German flagship aluminum space frame Quattro V8 and Bang & Olufsen audio for $7,000. The reputation on this car is built on neglected examples. On a documented car, the gap between reputation and reality is the biggest opportunity on this list. Number 1, the LS 430, 2001 to 2006. I've been saving this one. A fully loaded LS430 left the dealership for up to $66,000. Today, clean single-owner examples go for $8,000 to $14,000. And unlike almost everything else at this price, it does something most cars at twice the price cannot do. It runs forever. Here's the distinction that matters more than anything else. The LS430 is not a luxury car that happens to be reliable. It is a reliability masterpiece that Toyota decided to also make luxurious. Every system was engineered first for extreme durability, and then the luxury was layered on top. Toyota spent $400 million developing this generation, not to build a good luxury car, to make a statement to the entire automotive industry. The 4.3-liter V8 is so quiet at idle, you have to look at the tachometer to confirm it's running. So smooth at highway speed, rear passengers fall asleep without trying. With proper oil changes and basic maintenance, these engines run past 300,000 miles without drama. There are documented examples with over 400,000 miles on original internals. 400,000 miles in a car that rides like a private aircraft cabin. No European manufacturer has replicated that at any price point. But here's where it gets genuinely strange. The LS430 packed this technology that had no business being in a production vehicle at this price. Active noise cancellation using microphones and speakers to eliminate road noise in real time. Mark Levinson Audio, 240 watts, 24 speakers, the same brand building $10,000 per component home audio equipment. Rear seat ottoman with leg rest, self-parking system, pre-collision braking, rear wheel steering. You get in the back seat and you stop talking mid-sentence. The silence hits you first, then the leather. Then you realize every surface feels machined rather than assembled. First-time passengers always go quiet, look around, and ask what this cost new. $66,000. Available today for $10,000. Air suspension will eventually need attention. Budget $400 to $800 at an independent. Known repair. If the seller already did it, that's your green light. Beyond that, oil changes, filters, brakes, tires. That is your complete ownership experience. Annual maintenance cost genuinely lower than most economy cars at comparable mileage, in a car with active noise cancellation and Mark Levinson audio. The reason it costs $10,000 today is the same reason every car on this list is cheap. The market moved on. Fuel prices scared buyers away, and the LS430 sat quietly while everyone looked the other way. Their loss, your opportunity. 3 cars, 3 engineering statements, all the same story. Built when manufacturers were trying to prove something, with resources that current production economics no longer allow. Available today because the market forgot about them, not because the engineering failed. Every one of these requires the same thing from you: complete documentation, specialist inspection, and the discipline to walk away from anything that can't provide both. Find the right car, and you drive away in something that cost $80,000 new for $8,000. Subscribe to the Car 247. Every week, we find the cars the market forgot and the prices that make them impossible to ignore. Buy smart, not by trend. See you next time.